Updating your billing address on Rocket Money is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Open the Rocket Money app. Launch the Rocket Money app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once you are logged in, look for the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the Menu or Profile section of the app. Step 3. Select Billing Information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your address. Locate the field for your billing address. Enter your new address information carefully, ensuring all details are accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing address, look for a Save or Confirm button. Click this to ensure your changes are recorded in the system. Make sure to double check your new address for accuracy. Keeping your billing information up to date helps avoid any issues with payments or services.